there is something very eerie going on down in Venezuela. Na Venezuela, as a pussy clad. Yo, me nah take it out, you know. If you don't want to laugh, then laugh, yo. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, you see this video here, where me I talk about Grenada and what is going on in Grenada. But me also I will talk about Trinidad and what the man them a do at Trinidad and how it affect Grenada. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. So me area go on down in a Grenada because when me look on Grenada, you know, me a think say, yo, Grenada is a nice little place where the man them a chill, them dollar strong, you know, Jamaicans they there, other people they there, Trinidad they there, and everybody a live happily ever after. But let me tell you something about Grenada. You see, Grenada are one of the most dangerous Caribbean country. I mean, no enough people is going to disagree with me. But when I say dangerous, I don't mean right now, you know. And I don't mean at this moment. I mean overall. And I can't explain it. Grenada, out of all of the Caribbean country them, Grenada has been through the most wars. And that started from the Aztecs, the Arawaks, attacking the British, come right back down to the Caribbean, come right back down to the black people them. So throughout history, Grenada has had the most wars than any other Caribbean country. Now, that brings me to what I want to talk about. Because what is going on in Grenada? Grenada is about to explode, or let me use the word implode, with crime and gun and violence. You understand? Now, the Trinidadian them, the gang member them, they have been coming into Venezuela, and lots of them come there, so they're looking work, but they're looking something else. Now, remember I have done many videos, or quite a few videos, on Trini going to Grenada to carry out hits. Well, let me tell you guys something. Right now, in Grenada, and I'm telling the Grenadian police them, and I'm telling the Grenadian Coast Guard, our country is about to turn upside it down. From my intel, I am letting you know that you have mad gang member from Trinidad coming into Grenada. You understand? And they're trying to farm, and they're forming alliance with little pockets here and little pockets there. Now, you have enough Jamaican there, Grenada, and them are the business, and enough of them over there won't keep themselves quiet too. So when the Trinidad come in, now, which the Trinidadians have been coming there longer than Jamaicans, but now you have the new thing with the new young boy them. You understand? The boy them where smell them arm and think a roast yam. Them coming into Grenada to take the stronghold and to do enough things, because according to them, Grenada is cool and that's all the money there. Now, Grenada, I didn't know you was such a slack country that right around your island, you know, there is no coast guards. So all a man need to do is just jump on a boat and zoom in. You guys have an open border, and the Trinidadian them, they're taking advantage of it. Now, mark my words, Grenada is going to get bloody.
Yeah, so that's the getaway boat. See this white boat? St. Vincent Coast Guard, Grenada Coast Guard. Yeah, so this is the getaway boat. The man stupid with this slow boat, the man go and rob it.
And them youth here, them catch on the boat. The man them go Caracu, go rob some Trini. And you hear the man say right there, so look how slow the man them boat is. Me a laugh, but it's not funny. And this action here happened a while back, but I just bring it up to explain my point that there is an assimilation going on in Grenada, and that there's an invasion of gang members running from the merciless Trinidad coming into Grenada, and they have big plans. And let me tell you why them have big plans. You see the police force in Grenada right now, the police force, and I hate saying this about law enforcement, not even St. Lucia police force this lackadaisical. You see the police force that's coming in now, the young youth them, appear fuckery them depon. You understand? And more fuckery go on. You see the older police them, like the soup them, have been in the business a long time. A lot of them retired. And a lot of them building up them house and getting out of the business. So you see right now in Grenada, it is a free for all. And may I tell you something? I don't want to take Grenada lightly. Because remember, in 1983, there was a coup and them killed Maurice Bishop. And all of the man them who killed Maurice Bishop, 17, them killed 17 member of that party or government. All of the man them they are road where do the murder and participating in the murder. You understand? They were young men in them 20s, now them old, and them they are Grenada. So listen, Grenada is not a place to play with. Enough people think, yeah man, it's easy at Grenada, oh, I want to little that on the world, man. No. So, we're not going to get a rude awakening. So, me I warn the government, and I'm warning the police, the law enforcement. Remember, Grenada don't have no army, you know. So right now, listen, if the crime get any worse, you don't even have the capacity to handle it. And that's the truth. I am gonna talk in another video about the prison and some other issues going on down there in Grenada. But I still have my 2 interview them for doing on at the new year. So very soon I deal with the big heavy judge, you understand, out of Antigua. And we still have the man from St. Lucia for interview, amongst a bunch of other things. So, let me say, I'm navigating this world, yeah. I'm navigating the real life, so you know, I'm on it, and I'm not quitting. So for all the man them out there and thing, the haters them, when you can't go, no, let me stop. May I be nice. All the haters them, keep on hating. It only make me stronger. Alright? Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.